A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job, little learners. Great ABCs. 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Welcome to the Little Learners Race. This is our first race of the season. Let's take a look and meet our racers. In the first position at the number 1 spot is the purple car. Joining us in the second position, our number 2 is the white car. Whoa! In the third position is the school bus. That is a yellow school bus. The fourth position is the orange car. In our fifth spot is a huge red fire truck. And last but not least, in the sixth position is a big blue truck. All right, racers, take your positions. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, and off they go. The purple car starts out with a small lead, followed by the school bus and the white car. Trailing at the very end is the fire truck. Come on, fire truck, you can do it. The purple car is still in the lead, followed by the white car, the orange car, the school bus, the red fire truck, and then the blue truck. The purple car is pulling ahead. The orange car is following pretty close though. Here we are getting towards the end with the orange car pulling ahead. Whoa, the orange car did it! It came in first to cross that finish line. Let's see who's gonna take the second and third spots. It's purple! Purple followed by the white car. Wow, they did it! Let's see how it finishes up. Oh, and here's our instant replay. Let's take a closer look at that orange car crossing the finish line. Whew. And now, our winners. In third, we have the white car. Second place is purple car. And there we go. Our first place winner is the orange car. Woo! Hey, join us again soon for our next race. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more.
all the cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There are 26 cars. Good counting, little learners.
Help us figure out which color comes next. Yellow, red, yellow. What color comes next? Red. Good job. Help us figure out which color comes next. Orange, green, orange. What's the next color? Green. Did you say green? Good job. Help us figure out which color comes next. Pink, blue, pink. What's the next color? Blue. You're right. It's blue. Help us figure out which color comes next. Red, blue, red. What's next? Blue. You're right. It's blue. Last round. Help us figure out which color comes next. Purple, green, purple. What's next? Green. You did it. Thank you for helping me figure out the colors. Good job. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to make sure you get all of our latest videos.
So I'll see you next time at the Little Learners Network. Goodbye. See you next time at the Little Learners Network.